What's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby and today I am back yet again with another Forever Mood candle haul. So I'm super excited because she actually came out with mini candles this time. So that is what I got. Also I got the mini size because I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like all of the scents. When I first saw that she was coming out with fall scents, I think these are also limited edition as well. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that they are. When she first came out with these scents, I was like, well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that. Just like in my last candle haul, if you guys saw the first one, like with Matcha Business, the only reason I got that is because I wanted to get the full collection. But with this one, I'm happy that she came out with the minis, because if she came out with the minis with Matcha Business, I would have got a mini of Matcha Business. But also, a lot of people were asking about how I felt about the candles after I burned them and everything like that. So if you are interested in knowing more about the first collection, then just stay to the end and I'll give you guys like a brief overview of how I feel about all of them, if I've changed my mind about any of them, which I have, but we'll get to that towards the end. So anyway, this is the Forever Mood mini set. So this is what it looks like on the front. It just has the brand Forever Mood, and then on the front end here it says open to get lit. On the back it says Send Moods collection, and I really like this because she is just very on trend with what everybody is doing with their nails with the brown ombres, which is just so cute to me. Now in my last video, I know I said that when a lot of people were saying that you can smell the candles before you even open them, which I felt was a lie because I didn't smell. I mean, some people in the comments of the last video were saying that they could smell them. I couldn't smell them, but these candles I can definitely smell them. Before I even opened the box of this, I could smell the candles, but that's because they don't have lids on them, so I don't know. Anyway, on the inside it says in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, you decide, XOXO Jackie Aina, and then it has the brand right there. So very cute, very cute. So on the box and on the candles, they don't have the scent details or any information about the candle or anything like that. So I'm going to be looking at her website so that I can give you guys the scent details to make sure that everything make sure I'm giving you guys the right information. So this is the mini moods set, and it is the mini candle is a 2.5 ounce candle, and it burns up to 12 hours. 12 hours for such a small candle is very good. So I'm just gonna go in the order that she has it on her website, which is not the same order that it is in the box, but we'll just go with it. So the first one that she has on her website is Hey Big Head, and it says, as soon as you get that Hey Big Head text, you already know what's up. So let's see. So this is what Hey Big Head looks like. This one smells like coffee. It smells like hazelnut coffee. Yep, it smells like hazelnut coffee with like hazelnut creamer. That's what I'm getting. This smells really good. And it's a little bit sweet. Yeah, I like this one. So for this one, it says the top scent is roasted coffee, the heart is sweet toffee and hazelnut, and the base is vanilla. So the vanilla definitely is what's giving it that sweetness, and the sweet toffee as well. The hazelnut, you can definitely smell that, and the roasted coffee, you can definitely smell it. So the next candle that she has on the website is We Not Lincoln. We Not Lincoln, don't leave no room for misunderstandings. You said what you said. Period. We Not Lincoln. You said what you said. Anyway, this one is the darkest one of the in the gradient. So this one smells like cinnamon. It kind of smells like a gingerbread cookie, or like the hard kind of candies that people, I mean, not the candies, the hard cookies that people eat around this time. Is that snickerdoodles? I don't know. Yeah, let's see what it is. So the scent details for this one is pumpkin. Oh, pumpkin. The heart is cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, and the base is whipped cream and tonka. So okay, I can definitely smell the cinnamon, the heart of it. I don't really smell ginger. The nutmeg, I can smell the nutmeg. And I guess the whipped cream is what's giving it that kind of sweet smell. I would have never guessed that it was pumpkin in here though. But maybe I don't know what pumpkin smells like. I mean, I'm thinking like, maybe I'm just used to like artificial pumpkin smell. I mean, I'm sure it's not a real pumpkin in here, so it's artificial pumpkin smell. But like when I think of pumpkin, I'm thinking like a pumpkin latte from Starbucks or something like that. Is that even what it's called? A pumpkin latte? I don't know. But this one smells good as well. So the next one is Grown Folks Business. This ain't the kids' table, child. If you have to ask what grown folks' business, it's probably not your business. Okay? So, this one is kind of fresh. I was almost liking Hey Big Head the most, but this one, there's a candle at Bath and Body Works, and it kind of has that fresh smell in it, and it has moss, like tree moss in it. So I'm thinking that this one kind of, okay, so yes, it has, the top is herbal moss, white clove, and cool mint. So that's probably what's giving it that kind of like fresh kind of smell, the moss and the cool mint. The heart is gray cedar, vetiver, patchouli, and lang lang. I don't know what those three things are. But the base is amber, rosewood, and vanilla. So I'm assuming like the amber and the rosewood is kind of what's giving it kind of like that that outside kind of smell, and then maybe the patchouli and the lang lang and the vetiver, maybe those things are kind of spicy. I'm not sure. I'll have to look those up to see exactly what that is. But this one is okay, I would say. It's not one of my faves, but it's alright. So the last and final one is Skinny Dip. So this one says, the night is cool, but the temperature between you two is hot. Get into it. Alright, so let's smell it. Okay. I don't like this one. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know that I've ever smelled anything like this, so I don't know if I can like compare it to something else, but I mean, it's a little bit sweet and it has a fresh smell, but I don't necessarily like, what? Wow, okay, so this one is, the top is pistachio, almond cream, and apple. The heart is nutmeg, clove, and coconut. The base is vanilla and tonka. That's so weird. I think Left on Red, if I'm not mistaken, I'll have to go back and look. But if I'm not mistaken, Left on Red had pistachio and almond cream in it. And Left on Red was like my favorite candle. But maybe mixed in with the nutmeg, clove, and coconut. I don't know. This is not, Skinny Dip is not for me. Yeah, I would. Skinny Dip is not for me. If I had to put these in order, my favorite is Hey Big Head. This smells the best. Then it would be Grown Folks Business. And then We Not Lincoln. And then obviously Skinny Dip. Alright, so that is the complete review for the Send Moods collection, the mini set. I'm actually happy I did get these in a mini set. If I did want to get a full size one, probably the only one that I would get in full size is Hey Big Head, because that one is the best smelling candle to me. Also, I got these in a mini size because fall and winter candles at Bath and Body Works are about to go on sale, and I just bought a whole bunch of candles from Bath and Body Works. So if you guys want to see some Bath and Body Works candle review, if you're interested in getting like some fall and winter candles, then let me know in the comments. I'll do a review on those as well. So like I said, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys like a final review over the first set of candles. So of course, Left on Red was my number one. It's still my number one. I try not to burn this one too much because I don't want it to run out. But I'm probably, yeah, I'm like halfway through. I'm like right here with it. I love this candle. The throw on this candle is very good. It does fill up my whole room. And if I have a candle up here burning, then you can smell it like downstairs. My bedroom is like right at the top of my stairs. when you go upstairs. So it's like, you know, not hard for it to travel downstairs. But this, still love this candle. My second favorite was Matcha Business. Now, Matcha Business, as you guys can see, I have not burned that much. The dry smell from Matcha Business was delicious. I absolutely loved it. But once I burned it, it kind of had like it was just too intense, I'll say that. Because I think the throw on this was bold. This one, it's just too intense. So when I do burn it, I don't burn it for that long. I just burn it until I start smelling it, and then I put it out, because the scent does linger a little bit. So that's what I do with this candle. After burning it, I would not say that this is my second favorite, but it is still a good scent. But I just can't burn it for too long. After that, I said that Cuffing Season was my third favorite, and this one is still my third favorite. Well, this one might be my second favorite now, but Cuffing Season is definitely a good one as well. This one, the throw is not as bold. I think this one was a moderate throw on it. Even if it was a bold throw, it doesn't really flow that far throughout my house. Like if I have it burning in my room, or if I have it burning like in my living room, I won't smell it in my kitchen. But my living room and my kitchen are not kind of close. Like my living room is in the front of my house, my kitchen is in the back of my house. So but it still smells delicious. It's still a great candle, and I would definitely repurchase this. This one got a little burn around the edges, but it's okay. This one, again, I'm about halfway through with it, so I really do like burning this candle as well. Caked Up. Now, I did say in the last video that Caked Up was probably going to be the candle that I did not buy if I didn't want to get the full collection, because I thought this one was going to be too sweet and everything like that. Now, when I did do the dry smell of this, it was very sweet. It was a very, very, very sweet candle. But when you burn it, it's not that sweet. Like right now, when I smell it, it's still a very sweet smell. But when you burn it, it doesn't give off such a powerful sweet smell. It does give a sweet smell, but it's not too sweet. Like in my last video, I said it was too sweet. It's not too sweet when you burn it. So this one is my third favorite. And unfortunately, Matcha Business is now my least favorite candle. Overall, I still love all of these candles. As you guys can see, oh, this one, I'm probably about right here. So about 1/3 done burning it. But I really do like these candles. I burn them every once in a while if I'm not burning a different candle. But I don't burn candles every single day. But I do enjoy, you know, the nice smell of a nice candle. So with all of that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will go out and go ahead and support Black business as well. She does have all of these candles stocked on her website. They are still in stock. The first collection, they are all low stock. Yeah, they're all low stock, but the MOODS collection are still fully stocked. None of them have any, like, you know, low stock anything on it. And the box, the Mood candle set, like the whole box, is still available as well. So if you didn't want to get them individually, if you want to get the full size set, that's still available, and the mini set is available too. So, oh, and then her the headscarf is low stock, and the pillowcase is low stock as well. So if you are interested in getting these candles, you better hurry up and get them. But if you're interested in the fall scents, then you got a little bit of time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.